Find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, well this point right here is 3, 1. And then this point down here is -5, -2. Okay. Now, watch what happens. If I connect these dots, I end up with a right triangle. This is a right triangle. Because it's a right triangle, I can use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Where a and b are legs, and c is the hypotenuse, or the longest side of the triangle, located directly across from the 90-degree angle. Well, how do you imagine that we're going to find the legs of our sides? Well, right now, what we're going to do is we're going to just count the dots, or count the boxes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 squared. And then 1, 2, 3. 3 squared equals c squared. Okay. Now, we're not always going to have a graph. Sometimes we're just going to have the coordinate points, and they're going to be listed as 3, 1 and -5, -2. And you're going to be asked to find the distance between these 2 points. Well, what do you notice? As I'm counting across, this is my x-axis. And as I'm counting up and down, this is my y-axis. So my across values, what is the distance or difference between 3 and -5? It's 8. And what is the distance between 1 and -2? It's 3. And so my x distance, my horizontal distance, is one of my legs, and my y distance, my vertical distance, is my other leg. 8 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, which is true because when we counted the boxes, that is what we got. So 8 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, so 64 plus 9 equals c squared. 64 and 9 is 73, so c squared equals 73. I don't want c squared, I want c, so I'm going to take the square root, and I'm going to get what is the square root of 73.